Hello, everyone, again. We are starting example 7, which is very similar to example 6. So if you think you fully understood example 6, I highly encourage you to try this one on your own and see if you get it right at the end. So anyways, the first step is to identify what angle pairs we see so we know the relationship between the angles. Are they congruent or are they supplementary? I don't know. We got to figure it out. So let's trace over our nifty angles right now to see kind of what letters we see, which will help us to identify our angle pair, which, sorry guys, I totally missed the angle. My bad. But anyways, if you see here, I don't really have a letter forming, but I kind of have like a V facing this way and a V facing this way. So I kind of have the thing that looks like that. Do you guys remember what angle pairs kind of resemble that? They are alternate exterior angles. So these two are alternate exterior angles. All right, and how do those angles relate? Are they congruent or are they supplementary? Well, you're probably like, geez, Miss Long, we already know this. All of them are congruent except same side interior because they're supplementary. Same side make the C shape, but they're supplementary. They all make that S sound. Okay, so obviously they're not supplementary, Miss Long. Get it together. Well, I'm sorry, you guys. Okay, I'm trying to help you. Please don't give me a little toot. All right, but you are correct. It can't be same side interior, which are supplementary. Okay, which means they have to be congruent. See, you guys are smart. I mean, you don't have to give me the attitude about being so smart. I mean, I know I'm not as smart as you, but I'm just trying to help you guys. Jeez. All right, but anyway, so these are congruent angles. Okay, so when we solve, it's going to be very similar to this one. Since they are congruent, it means they have the same measure. So to solve, we're going to set these bad boys equal to each other and solve. And technically, you guys, I should know what this angle is. Since that has a little boxy, what does that mean? It does mean that it's 90 degrees. Okay, so if that's 90 degrees, it also means that this angle should be 90 degrees when I get done. But let's see if we got it correctly. Okay, let's see if we did it correctly. But anyway, so I'm going to set these bad boys equal to each other. All right, so 21x plus 6 will equal 90 degrees. All right, guys, let's start solving for x. So I need to bring my 6 to the other side. The way that I bring a positive 6 to the other side is by subtracting it on both sides. Which 6 minus 6 cancels and turns to 0. 90 minus 6 gives me 84 degrees. All right, so I'm left with 21x equals 84 degrees. All right, we're so close, you guys. We're so close to solving for x. Okay, but this 21 is getting in the way. I need to move that thing to the other side, which since it's secretly multiplying to my x, the way we move it over is by dividing it on both sides. Yeah, which 21 divided by 21 cancels and turns to 1. 84 divided by 21 is going to give me a 4. So x equals 4. Yay! So I found out what x is, and I know it's the correct x if when I substitute my 4 in for my x, I end up with 90 degrees. So I'm going to replace this x with a 4 and see if we end up with the right result. Let's see what happens. So I have 21x plus 6, and this x is going to transform into a 4. So we have 21 times 4 plus 6. All right, 21 times 4 gives me 84. And 84 plus 6 is 90 degrees. Yay! We got the right answer. I'm so excited, you guys. Aren't these fun? All right, so example 8 and 9 are pretty much the same idea. So if you're getting the concept, I highly encourage you to try 8 and 9 on your own. Go for it, you guys. I believe in you. I believe, I believe, I believe.